Okay, so we got a triangle. It's RST. We don't really know what the parameters of it is, and we got U is not bisecting, but intersecting S and T, and then we've got another line over here where we got an M in the center. We've got a V here. Why they used U and V, which kind of looks similar when I draw them, especially. Okay, and then we know that TU over SU is equal to 2 over 3. And then what I kind of did was I said, okay, look, well, TU right here, right, is equal to, oh, and they told us that this was 2 and this was 3, right? So we know then that TU is 2/5 of the way to TS, right? It's 2/5 of the way. It's 2/5 of TS. And then we also know then that US, this other one, is 3/5 of TS. Okay, and we could solve this for U, each one of these, by just taking this and dividing by T, and really the total of this. So divide both sides by T, and then we get U is equal to 2/5 of S. And on this other one, then we divide by S, and we get U is equal to 3/5 of T. And so we got these two right here, right? This one and this one. And so we know then that U really, run out of space here. So U really is equal to both of these. Oh, this was 3/5, 2/5 of S. U really is equal to the two of these, 2/5 of S and 3/5 of T. Okay, I'm just gonna set then this part of it aside for right now. And then we also know that M was the midpoint of RU. So it follows that then that M is 1/2 of R plus 1/2 of U, right? All right. And then via substitution, then we can do 1/2 of R plus 1/2, and then we can go back up here and grab that part, right? So now we've got the substitution 2/5 of S and 3/5 of T. Okay, and then we can further solve this. We can say M is equal to 1/2 of R plus 1/5 of S plus 1.5 over 5 times T. And then let's just move this around a little bit. So I'm going to just slide all this around a little bit here. And we can solve that a little bit further. So we can say then that if we multiply everything by 10, maybe? Sure. Let's multiply everything by 10. Then we know that 10M is equal to 5R plus 2S plus 3T. Okay, and then we know that W. Okay, so this is weird. So from R and S values here, we know that ratio-wise, R and S have to be 5 and 2, and adding those up, that comes out to be 7. Phew, that's a long way to go for this problem. Okay, so we're just going to make up a new point somewhere between R and S, and we'll call it X. So we're going to say that X is equal to 5/7 of R plus 2/7 of S. I hope that makes sense.